In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clean list Klaviyo. The goal here is simple. You will identify unengaged profiles, export them, and then suppress them in bulk so your list stays healthy and your email performance stays strong. Start by opening Klaviyo and going to the audience area in the left-hand navigation. From there, select Lists and Segments. This is where you can build a targeted group of profiles based on behavior, like engagement over time. Next, click Create List/Segment, and then choose Segment. A segment is dynamic, which means it updates automatically as people become engaged or unengaged. This is ideal for cleanup work because you are basing it on activity, not a static list. Now you will name the segment. Use a clear name like Cleanup so it is easy to find later. For the definition, choose someone's proximity to a segment. This option lets you build your cleanup segment by referencing a segment Klaviyo already provides. For the condition, select Is In, and then choose Unengaged, 90 days, which is a Klaviyo default segment. This targets people who have not been engaging recently. Keeping these profiles active can lower your open rates and hurt deliverability, so it is a good practice to review them regularly. Once that is set, click Create Segment. Give Klaviyo a moment to generate the audience for that segment. After it loads, go to the top right and click Manage Segment. Then choose Export Segment to CSV. This export file will be used to tell Klaviyo exactly which profiles to suppress in the next step. Make sure you save the CSV somewhere you can quickly locate. Now return to the Audience section again and select Profiles. This is where you can apply actions across many profiles at once. From Profiles, click Bulk Delete and Suppress. Choose Suppress Profiles, then select Upload CSV. Upload the CSV you exported from the cleanup segment. Take a moment to confirm you are suppressing, not deleting. Suppression keeps the profiles in your account for record keeping while preventing future sends to them. After you confirm and submit, Klaviyo will process the upload and suppress those unengaged profiles. That covers everything you need to know.